Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move your camera toolbar on Instagram from left side to the right side. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. So now just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right. And here, as you can see, the camera toolbar is at the left side of my screen. So what I mean by camera toolbar, this is this this 4. Okay, so create, boomerang, layout, and hands-free. So now if you want to move that to the right side, just go ahead and click on the settings button or icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And here at the lower part, you can see camera tools, and it has two options, left side and the right side. So just go ahead and click on the right side and click on done at the upper right corner of your screen. So now, as you can see, the camera toolbar is now at the right side. So if you want to switch it back to the left side, just go ahead and repeat the process. So first, you want to click on the settings and choose left side and click done. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.